Polybush became the supplier for Alexander Dennis back in 1999. They had a lot of failures with the rubber bushes they were using back then, and they were looking for a new, better way of doing things. So they came to us, the specialists in polyurethane bushes, and we got a nice selection of solutions which sit in front of us today. We start with our anti-roll bar clamp bushes, various different sizes, our link bushes, all in different hardnesses, grades, slightly different sizes, and spring seats as well for the suspension system. Some of the projects we've worked on, this bush here, for example, is used in worn eyes. So where the metal of the anti-roll bar has worn away a bit, instead of having to fit a brand new metal component, we can fit a slightly oversized bush with a slightly softer shore hardness to fill the gap, keeping it on the road, less downtime, keeps the bus out there earning money. So in 2025, we've seen some alternative bushes coming into the market, specifically designed to replace our poly bushes here on Alexander Dennis vehicles. So we've taken a look into it. We managed to get a couple of samples of these alternatives coming through and bring it in-house, and we test them side by side against our product. Frankly, to say the least, as their bushes have been absolutely inferior to ours. Ours tested in some cases about 3 to 5 times stronger on certain aspects. So a couple of examples we've got here in front of us. Now, these have already went through destructive testing, so obviously they don't look brand new. But before we'd done any sort of destructive testing, we measured them to check them against tolerance drawn-wise. We found that most of the bushes were out of tolerance to start. We found out this particular bush, it was actually eccentric. So if you were to try and fit that on the vehicle, it would be out of alignment. The bushes would not match. We also had slight issues with hardnesses on them. The material's not quite up to spec from what ours is. And we also found that the biggest critical factor was the bonding on a lot of these bushes is extremely poor. And these gave way at a very, very small amount of pressure on both the anti-roll bar link bushes and the brackets as well. There's very small amounts of bonding on there. Our bushes are good because we've been doing this for 30 years. We are the specialists in it. This is the standard you've came to know when you fit these on your buses. And if you were to fit, especially these first samples we've got, they are very poor quality, and you will have a lot of downtime from your buses because you'll be changing these a lot more than you would with ours.